name is Jan Gitano from Manawag, Pangasinan. Understanding, Blade, Templating, and Laravel. And what is template, inheritance, and blade? Define a base layout and extend it in multiple views. Real-world example: website with consistent header, footer, navigation. For example, layout.app with alt extend, layout.app. Next, grid section and yield. Alt section, define content for a specific area. Alt yield is a placeholder in the base layout where content is injected. For example, this a yield and content in app.blade.php. Blade control structures. Razor syntax compared to raw PHP. For example, Alt F and sign user and welcome to use username and as cleaner and more readable than PHP if user. Syntax and security. Displays variables safely by escaping HTML. Prevent cross-site scraping, XSS. For example, user input and versus user input that the input use escape. And next, compounds and slab. Compound equals usable UI elements. The elements button, alert cards. Slots equal dynamic content inside component. For example, x.alert, x.name, title, warning, and next alert is and next conclusion. Blade makes Laravel view organized, usable, secure, and readable. Key takeaway: use layout sections, control structures, and component for clean project. Thank you po. Done.